Twaemunai. Uh, Good morning. I'm coming to you today once more and to teach Kiluba. As you know, we have been learning a lot. I believe that many of you are already very knowledgeable. By now, we add few words day after day. And today we're going to be learning a few words concerning the time. I'm bringing to you these few words. We have, for instance, Lubanga. Lubanga means morning. I just want to present it to you. Lubanga means morning. I put a little word there, matin. Matin for French-speaking people. So, Lubanga, it's morning, le matin. Kiolwa, it's evening. Kiolwa. You remember when we learned how to say Kiolwa, which is good evening or bonsoir. We also learned, we learned a lot here, but let's focus on what we're learning today. So Lubanga means morning. Kiolwa means evening. Bufuku means night. Kensha, what I discovered as I was preparing this is that Kensha means tomorrow. It also means yesterday, and it depends of the context. If you say Kensha, I will do such and such, it means tomorrow I will do such and such. If you say you came to see me Kensha, it means that I'm talking about yesterday. So it makes sense to me, and we have been speaking Kiluba that way, and it makes a lot of sense. And if you have been speaking a different language and you start speaking Kiluba, you say, wow, the same word. Right? Of course, the same word makes sense. It depends on the context. Okay, Kensha means tomorrow or yesterday too. And then for French, we'll say demain et hier. And then bushikwa, that's a very interesting word. Bushikwa, bushikwa. Bushikwa means the day after tomorrow. We can say bushikwa, I'll see you the day after tomorrow, we'll meet. And I was thinking, I believe in English, it's just the day after tomorrow. I didn't have the right word, one word which means that. And then, at least in Kiluba, I didn't find the day before yesterday. It doesn't exist there. I didn't seem to find it. So, which in French we find avant-hier, but in Kiluba it just difficult d'appeler, I guess we can say that. And for the day after tomorrow, it's going to be le lendemain. Lendemain for French speaking. So Bushikwa is the day after tomorrow. Dialelo means today. Dialelo is today. So those are the words I prepared today. I'll repeat them once more, just for good understanding. And we have Lubanga, which is morning. Lubanga, it's morning. We have Kiolwa, evening. We have Bufuku, which is night, or nuit, la nuit for French speaking. And then we have Kensha, or tomorrow. Kensha means tomorrow, or Kensha, depend on the context, as we say, is also means yesterday. So it depends on the context of your talking, of what you're talking about. Bushikwa means the day after tomorrow. Bushikwa, the day after tomorrow. If somebody tells you, I'll see you Bushikwa, it means I'll see you the day after tomorrow. And then we have Dialelo, is today. And for people speak Latin, you find a little Spanish, you find dia there. I was impressed to find that Kiluba is really have some interesting